In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and manage files on Squarespace 7.0. Whether you're new to Squarespace or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the process of seamlessly integrating files into your website. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account, go to the Squarespace website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on Website. This action will direct you to the area where you can begin editing your site. Now that you're in the website section, it's time to edit. Find the Edit button, which is usually placed on the top right corner of the screen, and give it a click. This will allow you to make changes to your site. Once in edit mode, the elements of your web page will become clickable and adjustable. To link a file to an existing text or button, first select that specific piece of text or button on your page. By doing so, you're telling Squarespace where you want your file link to appear. Once you've highlighted your desired text or button, locate the edit icon. It's typically represented by a small pencil or a similar graphic, and click it. This will reveal further options for modifying your content. Next up, find the link icon, which should be visible near the editing tools. Click this icon to open a linking dialog. Here you'll see a drop-down menu. Click it to reveal different linking options. We want to add a file, so select the file option from this drop-down. Now comes the crucial part, uploading your file. Click on the Upload File button and navigate through your computer's file explorer to choose the specific file you wish to upload. This could be anything from a PDF document to an image or a video, depending on your site's needs. Once your file has uploaded successfully, it will appear in a list within the dialog. You'll need to select it by clicking on the file name, which will finalize the link creation process. Once done, this action makes the file accessible directly from your web page, linked to the chosen text or button. And there you have it. Your file is now a part of your Squarespace website. Feel free to preview your changes to ensure everything looks and functions as you planned. With these straightforward steps, you now have a file uploaded and linked, ready for visitors to access. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy editing!